Welcome to Bestsellers Market, where we bring you the top products in every category. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive maintenance with a countdown of the best-selling fuel system tools on Amazon. These essential tools are a must-have for any car enthusiast or professional mechanic, and we're here to show you why they're leading the market. So, without further ado, let's go. Introducing the Autoline Pro EVAP Smoke Machine Leak Tester Shop Series. Ranked number 5 on our list of the best-selling fuel system tools on Amazon, this powerhouse is more than just a smoke machine. It's a diagnostic marvel. First up, let's talk about high performance and premium build. Made in the USA, this device boasts a solid, thick metal construction ensuring unmatched durability. And the highlight? The brand new Autoline Pro Ceramic Smoke Coil. This innovation doesn't just generate copious amounts of smoke, it's built to last a lifetime. Yes, you heard that right. A lifetime guarantee. Now imagine diagnosing all types of leaks with absolute precision. Whether it's EVAP systems, vacuum leaks, low-pressure turbo leaks, intake manifolds, cooling systems, EGR, exhaust systems, or even worn-out rubber, gaskets, seals, connectors, this versatile machine does it all. The universal tapered adapter is your one-stop solution, fitting into virtually all hoses and lines with ease. But that's not all. Safety is paramount, and this smoke tester is engineered to be 100% safe for all vehicles. The thick smoke output is designed to detect even the tiniest leaks, ensuring no issue goes unnoticed. And with every unit backed by a 1-year full coverage warranty, you can have complete peace of mind. Proudly standing behind their product, this American family business guarantees your satisfaction. Should you encounter any issues, their customer service is just a call away. So, how does it work? It's simple and efficient. Fill the device with the included OEM-approved smoke fluid. Alternatively, you can use your own USP mineral oil or baby oil. Fasten the power cable securely. Connect your air supply. Any size, any type of air compressor will work. Check for leaks with advanced smoke detection technology. This device isn't just a tool, it's a game changer for any automotive enthusiast or professional. Elevate your diagnostic capabilities with the Autoline Pro EVAP Smoke Machine Leak Tester, the ultimate solution for precise, efficient, and reliable leak detection. Introducing the Orion MotorTech Master Quick Disconnect Toolset, your ultimate solution for fuel and transmission system repairs, and our number 4 pick in the top 5 best-selling fuel system tools on Amazon. Let's dive into the complete repair kit. This 25-piece line disconnect toolkit is a mechanic's dream, offering a comprehensive set to effortlessly separate standard sizes of automotive AC hoses and fuel lines. Compatible with a wide range of domestic vehicles from Ford, Chevy, Dodge, and more, it's your go-to kit for a variety of repair needs. Imagine tackling any automotive job with widespread application. These rugged tools cover almost every type of fuel line, air conditioning line, radiator hose, and heater hose you might encounter, with sizes ranging from 1/4 inches to 7/8. This kit includes line and hose removers for all the most needed SAE sizes. Whether you're working on fuel lines or air conditioning lines, this kit has got you covered. Ease of use is key. Color-coded sizing and a variety of widths and lengths ensure you always have the right tool for the job. They work seamlessly with both quick detach and spring lock connections, making them perfect for any task. Plus, custom-purpose tools cater to the unique requirements of late-model GM trucks, Fords with automatic transmissions, and the special tubing found in 4.0 LV6 Rangers and Explorers. Durability is non-negotiable. Made of anodized aluminum, steel, and plastic, this kit is built to last, handling even the toughest jobs. And when you're done, everything packs away neatly in the handy blow-molded case, keeping your tools organized and easy to transport. Upgrade your toolkit with the Orion MotorTech Master Quick Disconnect Toolset, where versatility meets durability, ensuring you're always prepared for any automotive challenge. At number 3 on our list of the best-selling fuel system tools on Amazon, we have the B12016 Chemtool Fuel Injector Cleaner. This 15-ounce powerhouse is a single unit that packs a punch when it comes to maintaining your vehicle's fuel system. First, let's talk about its high-energy solvent technology. This cleaner contains 100% high-energy solvents designed to keep your injectors, carburetors, intake ports, and valves impeccably clean. Imagine your engine running smoothly, free from the buildup that hinders performance. That's the promise of the B12 Chemtool. But what makes it stand out? It's the speed and effectiveness. This cleaner quickly disperses moisture and dissolves gum, varnish, and other stubborn fuel residues. You know that gunk that clogs up your fuel system? It's no match for the B12 Chemtool. Just imagine your engine as clean as the day it rolled off the assembly line. Now let's delve into its versatility. This cleaner doesn't just work on your injectors, it's also effective at dispersing moisture in conventional gasoline, making it a versatile addition to your fuel system maintenance routine. Whether you're dealing with moisture or stubborn residues, this cleaner has got you covered. Safety is paramount, and the B12 Chemtool delivers. It's catalytic converter and O2 sensor safe, ensuring that while your fuel system gets a thorough cleaning, your vehicle's crucial components remain protected. No worries about damaging your engine's delicate parts, just clean, efficient performance. In summary, the B12016 Chemtool Fuel Injector Cleaner is your go-to solution for a clean, efficient fuel system. With its high-energy solvent technology, quick action against residues, moisture dispersal capabilities, and safety assurances, it's a must-have for any vehicle owner. Keep your engine running at its best with this top-tier fuel injector cleaner. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling fuel system tools on Amazon? Well, don't let your engine stall. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to keep your automotive game running smoothly. At number 2 in our countdown of the best-selling fuel system tools on Amazon, we present the Cataclean 2 bottle 16 ounces, fuel exhaust 120019. This innovative product is your ticket to a cleaner, more efficient engine with minimal effort. First, let's highlight its EPA approval. This stamp of approval ensures that Cataclean meets rigorous environmental standards, making it a safe and responsible choice for your vehicle. Ease of use is paramount. Simply pop, pour, and go every 3 months. Yes, it's that straightforward. Imagine no complicated procedures or tools required, just effortless maintenance that fits seamlessly into your routine. Now consider the original long-nose bottle design. It's capless gas tank compatible, ensuring a perfect fit and hassle-free pouring. Whether you have a modern capless system or a traditional tank, Cataclean's design caters to both. One of its standout features is its non-altering fuel composition. Cataclean doesn't change your fuel's makeup, making it safe for gasoline, diesel, and hybrid engines alike. Versatility at its finest, ensuring every type of engine can benefit from this powerful formula. But what does it actually do? Cataclean restores catalytic converters, oxygen sensors, fuel injectors, and cylinder heads. Picture your engine components working like new again, free from the grime and buildup that hampers performance. This product doesn't just clean, it revitalizes, ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly and efficiently. In summary, Cataclean is an essential addition to any vehicle maintenance regimen. With its EPA approval, ease of use, innovative bottle design, fuel safety, and restorative properties, it's a powerhouse in a bottle. Keep your engine running at peak performance with Cataclean, the simple, effective solution for a cleaner engine. And finally, claiming the #1 spot in our countdown of the best-selling fuel system tools on Amazon is the Solary Automotive Smoke Machine Leak Detector. This 12 VDC EVAP vacuum diagnostic tester is the ultimate tool for detecting leaks in your vehicle's pipe systems. Let's explore its multifunctional capabilities. This versatile smoke machine can perform a wide array of tests, including EVAP system tests, car sealing tests, fuel tank system tests, exhaust system tests, intake system tests, and various pipe fittings tests. Whether you own a car, motorcycle, snowmobile, ATV, light truck, or even a boat, this tool is designed for you. Understanding the working principle is simple yet ingenious. The Automotive leak detector converts special oil, be it baby oil or mineral oil, into smoke. This smoke is then introduced into the sealed pipe system. As the smoke travels through, any leak points become visible. Repairing these leakages ensures your system runs flawlessly. Ease of use is paramount with the Solary smoke machine. Featuring a convenient hook, you can hang it on your hood latch effortlessly. Just add 20 milliliters of baby oil or mineral oil. Note, the product does not come with oil. Connect the detector to a DC 12V battery, and within 10 seconds, it outputs thick smoke. This dense smoke ensures even the tiniest leaks are detected, making your job easier and more efficient. Safety is a key feature with smart protection. This smoke tester includes overheat and freeze protection with a maximum temperature limit of 75 degrees Celsius. It activates antifreeze protection at a low temperature of -20 degrees Celsius. Should the device exceed its working limit, it automatically powers off, ensuring both your safety and that of the device. One of its standout features is its lightweight and portable design. Unlike many bulky, heavy smoke machines suited only for repair shops, the Solary smoke tester weighs a mere 3 kilograms. Its compact size makes it perfect for easy storage and transport, making it an indispensable tool for any car owner. And for peace of mind, Solary offers a worry-free after-sales service. Enjoy a 1-year free warranty and lifetime technical support. Encounter any issues? Their dedicated customer service team is always ready to assist. In conclusion, the Solary Automotive Smoke Machine Leak Detector combines multifunctionality, user-friendly operation, smart protection, portability, and excellent after-sales service. It's the top choice for anyone serious about maintaining their vehicle's performance. Discover why it's Amazon's best-selling fuel system tool and elevate your vehicle maintenance today. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling fuel system tools on Amazon. To keep up with all the top products, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we discussed today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.